So you've gotten your hands on all the tools thanks to some random guy who made an AFK grinder and now you're looking for a tutorial on how to build a tank? But your small brain don't understand the overcomplicated bullshit on YouTube? Well, worry not. Thanks to me, a not her random guy on YouTube, you're finally gonna kickstart your journey on building war machines and committing war crimes. Because that's what the creator wanted, right? Now your murder machine is ready. Go crazy with it. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe and if you're a real one, share the video with your friends.